and Michael Perry, also known as Mr Plant Geek, and I think it's really, really important to make the industry as inclusive as possible, to allow people from all different walks of life to become involved. I think just general openness in the industry, which is led by trade shows like this, will kind of then start to bring those people in naturally and for them to feel like it's a great place to be. So here at Glee, in the green heart of the place, in the atrium, we actually created this Plant with Pride display, which is front and center. So this is the colors of the rainbow flag, which is then opening up the conversation of making our industry inclusive to all different walks of life, everyone with different backgrounds. And it may seem like a very simple display, but purely by having this here, it's in front of people that have never even considered having a Plant with Pride display in any of their retail outlets before. So I think it's really, really a great starting point for opening up the industry. And here behind me, you'll see the talent store, which has been built by a team from 2 different garden centres in the UK. People of all different ages, all different backgrounds, and this is the most accessible part of the Glee show. And I want to see more of this because this is really opening up those conversations and really giving people a platform where they've never had it before at a show like this. So I think this is an amazing development here at Glee.